Welcome, beautiful soul. In this short practice, I'm going to guide you into the alpha brainwave state, which is a relaxed, peaceful state of mind between sleep and wakefulness, where your mind is calm, your heart is open, and your soul can speak directly, clearly. Alpha state is where your intuition strengthens. It's where visualization becomes very vivid. It's where healing begins. So there's basically 4 steps to getting into the alpha state. They are settling into your body, count down from 5 to home, then anchoring the feeling. That's where we're going to choose a word that represents this calm state for us. And I'm home. You can choose something else like peace or alpha or calm mind. So you're going to silently repeat that anchor word once we get to step 3. And the 4th step is where your visualization begins if you choose to do visualization. So that's optional, but the really important thing is to know how to get into this alpha state quickly. And that's what I'm going to teach you. So number 1, we're settling the body. Number 2, we're counting down 5 to 1. Number 3, we're anchoring the feeling. And then we can do the visualization. So you want to get into this alpha state if you just want to experience some calm, if you constantly want to feel connected to your higher self, if you have healing to do. This alpha state is really, really where so many wonderful things happen. It's not our normal waking state, but it is the calm state that we get into when we do meditations or we do hypnosis. And we can go even deeper, but this alpha state is really the state where a lot happens. So let's begin. First, take in a deep breath. Find a comfortable position. You can be sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Allow your spine to be long but relaxed. Your hands can gently rest on your lap or at your sides. Now take in a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and exhale slowly through your mouth. We're just calming the body here. Again, inhaling deeply. And as you exhale, begin letting go of any tension anywhere within your body. Feel your shoulders soften, your jaw relax. Allow the tiny muscles around your eyes to just deeply release and relax. Allow your breath to slow naturally. So we're just allowing the body just to get into a nice, comfortable, settled state. Now we're going to do the countdown into alpha. When you're doing this on your own, you can choose to start at a higher number if you need more practice, but eventually get to the point where you just need to go 5 to 1 and then your home alpha state. So 5, beginning to relax. 4, going deeper and deeper with every breath, breathing gently now. Feel the body already loosening. The mind is relaxing. 3, I feel peaceful and quiet inside. I am peaceful. 2, my brain waves are slowing, softening. 1, I am now in my alpha state. And pause here for a few breaths and just feel the shift. It may feel like warmth, lightness, or a gentle stillness. Now we're anchoring that feeling, so choose your word. I like I'm home, but yours could be alpha or peace or calm. Silently repeat your anchor word as you sit in the stillness. Let your mind and body associate this word with calm, the focused state that you're in. And each time that you practice this word will bring you back into the alpha state more quickly. And finally, step 4, visualization. If you'd like to, now is the perfect time. You could visualize a healing outcome. Imagine your ideal reality. Connect to your higher self. Send energy or receive divine insight. At this point, in reaching the alpha state, you can do what your heart leads you to do. Whatever intention that you have, you can do that now. And finally, we're going to return after we've guided ourselves into this alpha state. So I'm teaching you here and guiding you into this state, but it's your responsibility to practice on your own. So remember, we're settling the body. We're counting down from 5 to 1. Then we are anchoring the feeling. We're using our anchor word. And then we can do our visualization. As we return, we take in a slow breath. We wiggle our fingers and our toes, and then we open our eyes gently. You are centered, you are clear, you are grounded, and you are now operating from your most empowered self. You can return to this alpha state anytime, anywhere, no matter what you're doing. You're standing in line, or anytime you really want to use this alpha state. Just drop into it. Learn to drop into it quickly. Use your anchor word. Relax your body, count down, anchor word, visualization. The more you practice, the faster you'll drop into it until it becomes your second nature. Welcome home to the calm within you, my friend.